Hello crafters, welcome to Create Home with G and the last Christmas in July video of 2020. Today I'm going to be making some gift present pics for my Nutcracker themed tree that's going in the hallway this Christmas. Parcels. Now these are 1 inch by 1 inch. I made 4 of each colour. I'm going to be using various things. I've got this tinsel which I had to get from eBay because I couldn't find any in any stores at the time I recorded this video, and that's in July. Today's July the 11th. This is mini tinsel, it's 5 meters, I got it from eBay. I got all these miniature gifts or presents from eBay, but I know Poundland sell them nearer to Christmas. Got my hot glue gun going, and I've got this floral wire. I've got this from Hobbycraft. It's hobby wire green, 25 grams, 35 centimeters by 0.9 millimeters. That's 14 inches long by 20 swg. Now I got this from Hobbycraft, but they do have a website, www.oasisfloral.com. So I'm going to see how this goes. I've made a small one on camera, but I wanted to do a more substantial version, so I'm going to try and give this one a bit more bulk and do maybe 2 across and 2 high. If you don't see this video, then you know it didn't work, but if you see this video, then it's obviously worked. I am going to submerge that into this at this point, probably just to there, and glue it in. Come on, glue, what's going on? There we go. And stick those on there like that. Bring that down slightly. No, I don't want the wire poking through, but it seems to want to poke through. Let's turn it upside down. I guess it's because it's not overly tight in there with the foam presents. Okay, so I need another 4 of the gold. Stand upright. Why are you not standing upright? Okay, let me just hold that there, crafters. Like I say, I haven't done this particular one off camera, so this one is all. You'll get all my mistakes and everything in this particular video. But then, if I make the mistakes, that means you don't have to. Turn that around, add glue on this side and the bottom, because obviously I want all these gifts to be, so basically all these gifts are acting as one, because I want this to have more substance, and I didn't want to go out and buy the larger foil wrapped polystyrene gifts. Okay, that's better, that's much more substantial. That works. Yep, that's good. Okay, let's try another one. So I want to do what do I have enough to do? Do I have 8 red? Two, 4, 6, 8. Yep. How many of the blue do I have? I really want to do a green one if I can. I don't think I've got enough to do a green one. No, I've only got 6. I suppose I could do a multicoloured one. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So, okay, so I've got enough to do a blue one. and the pinky purple. I don't have enough for the green, so I can do a red and a blue, which I think will go really nice with the gold, particularly for the nutcracker, because I think a lot of nutcrackers tend to be reds and blues. So what I'm going to do, crafters, I'm going to glue those two together, and then going to glue another two to their back with the ribbons facing down, but I also need to put some glue in between there. Okay, so I end up with this on the top. So I have all the bows at the top. With this one I'm going to try and glue them all together first, and then put the wire in and see if that makes any difference. And I can get away using all these ones that are squished because it doesn't matter. Okay, so glue on this side and on the bottom. And as you can see, I've got some here that are different colour ribbons. I'm not bothering about that. Okay, so I'm basically getting, instead of them being an inch, I'm getting a 2 inch by 2 inch square. Okay, let's try and put in the, I'm going to put some glue on my wire. That's my top, this is my bottom. I'm going to stick that in. Yep, that works. I think it's a lot easier to do it this way round than having to hold onto the wire while you're gluing them all together. Okay. Obviously they're going to need cleaning up with all the glue strings, but quick blast with a hairdryer. I wouldn't use a heat tool on this because of the polystyrene and the foil. Okay, so let's do the red one. Bring two of them together, and then do another two. Bring those together, and then put some glue so they can be joined together. This is one of those messy crafters. Okay, let's do another two. Join two together. Another two. Put some glue on the back of that one and join those together. Oh my gosh, there's so many strings. Okay, now let's put some glue on the underside of this one. Put that together. Get my metal wire, fluoro wire, put some glue on it and submerge it. Okay, so I'm going to leave those to dry. Let's go back to the gold one. Now, using the tinsel, I'm going to use the tinsel around the base, just to disguise the fact that it's not just a piece of wire. Maybe I should have found the end first. Ah, there we go. Okay, let's attach that to the wire. Oops. Please be careful. Obviously this is hot glue. If you have those silicone thumb fluid jummy flips, whatever you call them, thumb protectors, I would suggest you use those. Okay, and then I'm going to wrap this around, and my glue has dried, so I'm going to put some fresh glue on and go around just to hide the wire. And of course you don't have to do this, you can just leave the wire, or you can spray paint the wire maybe a Christmas red. Okay, almost at the end. And then I'm going to cut this one free. And I cut the wrong thing. I cut the wire, the present wrapping. So I'm just going to glue that shut. Disaster averted. Okay, so that's that. So they make really quick and easy picks. I will do the other two off camera, and there'll be pictures at the end. Really simple. Can be a bit frustrating, but as we you know, there's not a great deal of variety in regards to themes here in the UK. Getting the picks isn't as easy as you can get them overseas, so I'm going to make my own. But there we go, quick and simple. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and you'll see me again soon.